You all know I love my Surface Book too, but I was looking for a Bluetooth mouse. Yes, a Bluetooth mouse, not a wireless mouse with a dongle. Finally, I found the HP Touch to Pair mouse. I heard this is one of the most easiest Bluetooth mouse to connect. This really? I mean, this my laptop is also HP. Maybe I will test with this one and with my Surface Book 2. I love my HP. This is HP ZBook G3, 4,500 bucks I paid. This is the ultimate version. I bought it. 64 GB RAM. Everything is like absolutely blazing fast. But here's the HP mouse. HP touch to pair mouse. Jump to the unboxing table and let's do the unboxing and then let's connect.
I gave my hand for
Okay,
you.
the HP Touch Pair mouse. Yes, the HP Touch Pair mouse. Let me take out from the box. Okay, here we go. Come on. Okay, let me peel from the back. It's much better. Okay, here we go. Again, touch to pair. This is a Bluetooth wireless mouse which I'm going to test with my Surface Book. I'm going to show you. Okay, and then here we go. Also from here we go. And then now let me take out the mouse. Okay, I heard this is one of the best mouse out there. Okay, let's see how to connect. On, off. Okay, Bluetooth pairing. Turn on your computer and add Bluetooth. Ensure that computer Bluetooth turn on. Start the Bluetooth pairing wizard. Okay. NFC pairing work with Windows 8 or Windows like 8.1 or Windows 10 again. So yeah, ensure to use you must first pair and connect with your computer. Turn on the computer and the Bluetooth mouse. Okay, that's simple. That's not like just turn on the Bluetooth. Let me put this aside. Again, this is HP Touch to Pair mouse. I'm literally loving it. I mean, I really like this design. I want to be honest out here. Okay, how the mouse come out. Okay, the mouse is at the back. Okay, here we go. I mean, this, look at it. This look really cool, right or not? Let me be honest. This look cool, right? Okay, the mouse is very beautiful. The mouse is one of the beautiful mouse. Okay, let me see. Okay, this is the connect button. This is turn on and off button. I think this one have a battery. Let me see where to put the battery inside. Okay, the battery go from here. Okay, the battery go from here. I'm gonna take out this one. Now the battery is on. Hope so. Okay, the battery is on, and let me turn it on. I think it's on, right? It's working or not? Connect. Okay, yeah, it's working. It's on. Here's my Surface Book, as you can see. My Surface Book. Come on. I was using a wireless mouse, but I wanna use the Bluetooth. Okay, go to setting. Okay, go to device, add Bluetooth. Okay, let's hope so. It's gonna search. HP touch to pair mouse. Can you see? Wow, it's working. It's working. It's working. Setting up a device. I mean, it's working. You see, it's working. Can you see the mouse? The mouse is really very comfortable to use. I mean, literally, yes, the mouse is very comfortable to use. One of the best mouse, I think so. After my favorite Microsoft what is called Scepter, whatever, ergonomic mouse. This is sadly not a Bluetooth mouse. This is a wireless dongle mouse. It uses a dongle, as you can see. Yeah, so if you want a true Bluetooth mouse, I think so the best mouse in the world is the HP Touch to Pair mouse. It's easy to pair. You can pair with your tablet, whatever you want. I mean, it's very comfortable to use. I think I should buy 2 or 3 more. It's a really very comfortable mouse. I mean, literally, yes. It's a very comfortable mouse. So can I recommend this one? Definitely yes, I can recommend it. At the end of the day, I can easily recommend that. I mean, this is a very good, I mean, it's work very beautifully, to be honest with you. I literally love it. Even it have an NFC. I love the weight distribution. It's a very comfortable mouse. I have a big hand, as you can see. So yeah, I love this mouse. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. And it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and bye.